The Wedding That Shouldn't Have Happened. Part 1. The Unexpected Engagement. The rain never stopped that afternoon. Gray clouds covered every street. Emily stared through her bedroom window. Her phone suddenly rang. She answered immediately. "Emily?" her mother whispered. "Come home, please. Now." Emily frowned. "What happened?" Her mother hesitated. "Your father collapsed." Emily grabbed her coat. Her hands trembled. She left without eating. The bus arrived slowly. Every minute felt endless. Rain tapped the windows. Nobody spoke. Emily closed her eyes. Bad memories returned. She remembered her childhood. Her parents smiled every morning. They laughed during breakfast. Everything once felt perfect. Then everything changed. Her father lost his business. Debt followed quickly. Arguments became louder. Smiles slowly disappeared. Emily reached her hometown. The streets looked familiar. Still, something felt different. Neighbors watched silently. Some whispered together. Emily noticed strange expressions. Nobody greeted her warmly. She hurried home. The front door stood open. Inside felt unusually quiet. Her mother waited alone. Her eyes looked swollen. She had cried heavily. "Where's Dad?" Emily whispered. Her mother pointed upstairs. Emily climbed carefully. Each step felt heavier. The bedroom door remained closed. Emily knocked softly. No answer came. She entered slowly. Her father smiled weakly. "My little girl." Emily hugged him tightly. "I'm here, Dad." He gently touched her hair. "I've missed you." Emily smiled sadly. The room smelled like medicine. Machines quietly beeped nearby. A doctor entered. "Good afternoon." He checked several monitors. Everything seemed serious. The doctor sighed. "His heart is weak." Emily lowered her head. "Can he recover?" The doctor paused. "Maybe." "Maybe," Emily repeated. He nodded silently. After several minutes, the doctor left quietly. Emily faced her father. He looked unusually calm. "I have one wish." Emily listened carefully. "What is it?" "I want peace." "You deserve peace." He smiled gently. "Not for me, for this family." Emily frowned. "What do you mean?" Her father coughed. "Promise something." Emily nodded slowly. "I promise." "Don't refuse immediately." Emily became confused. "What?" Her mother entered quietly. She carried an envelope. Emily accepted it carefully. Inside rested a photograph. A handsome man smiled. Emily blinked twice. "Who's this?" Her mother avoided eye contact. "His name's Daniel." Emily waited. Nobody continued speaking. Silence filled everything. Finally, her father whispered, "He wants marrying you." Emily froze completely. "What? I've never met him." Her mother nodded. "We know." Emily stepped backward. "This makes no sense." Her father closed his eyes. "He helped us." Emily frowned deeply. "Helped how?" "He paid everything. Our debts disappeared." Emily gasped. "Why?" Her mother whispered softly. "He asked one thing." Emily already feared hearing it. "What thing?" Her mother swallowed nervously. "Your hand." Emily stared silently. "No. No. Impossible." Her father's breathing worsened. Machines beeped faster. Emily rushed forward. "Dad!" He grabbed her wrist. "Please. For me." Emily's eyes watered. "This isn't love." "I know." "Then why?" He closed his eyes. "Some promises hurt." Emily couldn't understand. "What promises?" He refused answering. Instead, he smiled sadly. "You'll understand later." Emily shook her head. "I won't marry strangers." Her mother cried quietly. "Emily, please listen." Emily walked downstairs. She needed fresh air. Rain soaked everything. She didn't care. She kept walking. The cold wind howled. She reached the old bridge. Someone stood there. A tall man, black umbrella, dark suit. He watched quietly. Emily slowed down. The stranger smiled politely. "You must be Emily." She stiffened immediately. "Who are you?" She looked terrified. Behind her, 3 black cars stopped. Several men stepped outside. Each wore black suits. One man smiled strangely. He clapped slowly. "Wonderful. Everyone's finally together." Emily's heartbeat quickened. Daniel stepped forward. His voice became firm. "You found us." The stranger grinned. "Of course." "You owe us," Emily whispered nervously. "Who are they?" Daniel answered quietly. "The reason this wedding should never happen."